Hello, everyone, and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Paul's Primary from Westmoreland up against the Grateful Hill Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, TK Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Earlier, we had the toss and Grateful Hill Primary won and decided to go first. So we'll begin with Grateful Hill Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds in which to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So we'll have that time on the clock as we begin with Grateful Hill Primary in Bible knowledge. What's the 6th book of the New Testament? Ox. That's incorrect. It's Romans. St. Paul's Primary Bible knowledge. What's the 7th book of the Old Testament? Judges. That's correct. Grateful Hill Science. What's the name of the childhood disease caused by the lack of calcium and vitamin D?
Pass.
Question passes to you, St. Paul's. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's rickets. St. Paul's Primary Science. What's the name of the disease caused by the lack of calcium and results in bones becoming weak and brittle in older adults?
What's a business mirror? It's supposed to cripple, but I don't really know. Probably me.
Question passes. Grateful Hill. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's osteoporosis. Grateful Hill Jamaican Affairs, who is the Member of Parliament for West Central St. Andrew in Jamaica.
Andrew Holness.
That is correct. St. Paul's Primary Jamaican Affairs, who is the Member of Parliament for Central Clarendon in Jamaica.
Grace.
Question passes. Grateful Hill, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Mike Henry. Grateful Hill English language. What's the past tense of sting?
Stung.
That's right. St. Paul's English language. What's the past participle of fly?
Flew.
Say again?
Flew.
That's incorrect. It's flown. Grateful Hill Television, The Green Goblin, is featured in which superhero series?
Spider-Man.
That's correct. St. Paul's Primary Television. What's the name of Spider-Man's main love interest?
What about Spider-Man? Main love interest. Spider. Just a spider.
Spider.
That's incorrect. It's Mary Jane Watson. Grateful Hill General Knowledge. At what age do Jewish boys have their bar mitzvah celebrations? Question passes. St. Paul's, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 13 years. St. Paul's General Knowledge. In many Latin American countries, a quinceañera is a celebration of which birthday for a girl?
16th birthday. I'm supposed to do 16th birthday. Say 3, 2, 1.
16th birthday.
That's incorrect. It's 15th birthday. Grateful Hill Social Studies. What's the highest mountain on the continent of Africa?
What can you? Say no.
Question passes. St. Paul's, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Mount Kilimanjaro. St. Paul's Social Studies. What's the highest mountain on the continent of North America?
North America.
Time's up. Grateful Hill, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Mount McKinley or Mount Denali. Grateful Hill, music. Does And no time to read that question because that bell means it's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Paul's Primary on 1 and Grateful Hill Primary on 3. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.